Hey, solo professionals, I hope you're doing great. So, again, I'm back with another video, and I know it's been a long time since I last posted on Facebook and a Loom video, also, right? So, again, my name is Bhavish from Growth Magnet Studio, and I'm back again with an exciting video. And let's go, guys. I'm pretty much excited with to provide some value to you guys and so that you get results, because I know, man, most of you guys are trying really hard to run ads on Facebook, YouTube, and still you aren't getting results, right? You're spending time setting up the campaigns, you're spending money, most importantly, and you're not getting anything in return, right? And giving time and money and don't get anything in return is like feeling scammed by your own self, right? Like you guys do with the agencies, right? You pay them, they don't generate you results, you feel scammed, like they scammed you, right? So you don't want to feel that way. So that's why, I'm right here with you guys. If you want anything, just definitely reach out to me. We have bunch of free resources for you guys, right? So but before wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. And the topic for the video should be should be is can you still generate qualified leads using Facebook ads, right? I know this topic is very much complicated. If I ask you this, like, can you still generate qualified leads using Facebook ads? And you are a solar rep, you are a solar company owner, right? So probably you will say no, because you will say the lead quality suck, the leads are not exclusive, they just hang up on me, don't even pick up the calls and everything, right? So I know these are the objections, I know, my clients also used to say that. And you also say that, I know, I just get that, definitely. And again, yeah, it's very complicated question for you. And you have been really trying very hard to generate leads. You don't want to hire an agency that absolutely works for you. That sounds good, right? But you just want to do it yourself, and that's the best possible way to save money, right? But now let's talk about, can you still generate qualified leads using Facebook ads, right? That's the important question for today's video. And let's get straight into the video, right? So again, see, I get it. Like recently, the lead quality. I also, as an agency owner, you can say the founder of a company here in India, and guys, I'm very much grateful for all the love and support. I just want to mention that all the love and support. If you like my videos, I really appreciate that. If you like my free value, whatever I'm trying to give you, I really appreciate that, because I'm just sitting here in India and I'm helping companies in USA, UK, Australia. And I know, it's a very big thing for me, like sitting here in India all the time, on this desk, on in front of my computer. It's very big thing for me, right? So before even moving forward, I'm very much grateful for you guys, and for loving my videos and showing some support, right? So let's get, yes, sorry, I won't interrupt you right now. Yeah. So yeah, as a agency owner myself also, recently the lead quality has been very much degraded using Facebook ads. I'm not talking about YouTube ads here, just Facebook ads. The lead quality has been so bad that our clients are trying to contact the leads and they are getting responses like, I haven't filled out the form. uh, they're not picking up the calls. And these are the responses I'm getting from my clients as of now, while on how the leads are performing, right? But this case is only in saturated areas like Texas, Florida, California, Nevada, Arizona, right? But not in states like Carolina, South Carolina, Michigan, Colorado. Like there are some states available, the competition is very low, they're not that much saturated, and you can sell there very, like, in huge scale, right? To be honest, but I don't want to talk about that here. I want to talk about how you can solve this, right? So there are but the question is, but there is any solution to this? Yes, there is two solutions for this. First is to stop using lead form, right? I get it. Uh, let's suppose that it's to 2017 2017, right? And you start running ads, then from lead form you can convert those leads into actual customers, right? And just to set up good expectation, with you guys on this video, I would just like to know, like let you know that stop using lead forms, right? I know the cost per lead on lead form is low, but I have took many Zoom calls with different prospects, and they want quality instead of cost per lead, high cost per lead, right? So just stop chasing low cost per lead and start chasing quality leads, right? Even if you are getting just five quality leads, you will be able to convert them, right? And if you are getting like 100 leads for just $1 each, so do you think like you will be calling those 100 leads every single day, and you don't even know whether they are interested or not? You don't know about their credit score, how much is their utility bill, about their roof shade, different things like what the qualification like goes into, right? So the answer is to is stop using lead forms and start using landing page like the surveys, right? So how you have to move forward with this, I will recommend you, either if you don't have any money, try Wix, try WordPress, right? If you have some money to invest, go with ClickFunnels, or Go High Level, right? We personally, as an agency for our clients, we use Go High Level, and we set up different landing pages, not just one. Nothing works out here with just one. You have to test, create at least three landing pages in place, and don't worry about the lead cost. Just let the campaign run for 3 to 6 days, create landing pages campaign, and see the improvement in the lead quality. I definitely assure you, definitely guarantee you, if you start using landing pages over lead forms, you will definitely see a change in the quality. That's the first thing I just need to mention, right? And the second thing is change your offer, man. Like, let me just tell you this. When I just started on my agency, like in the last 1.5 past 1.5 years ago, when I started out, at that time only, also like the solar reps, just like you, solar company owners were just offering us $1,000 rebates, free electricity for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. That's it. And everybody out there is just offering this one thing rebates, free electricity. That's it, right? And if let's suppose every solar rep out there just put in ad something like this, you will get a $1,000 rebate to go solar, right? So people out there have seen that ad for like thousand times, right? And that's why they put negative comments in the ad, right? And you have to avoid that thing. Instead of offering the same offers again and again, change your offer, create an offer which is irresistible, right? Like if I talk about an example, we recently created an offer for like our solar clients, for our agency, which is completely irresistible, to be honest. Like I've been posting about this like new five payment plans available, and you can't resist because we are providing that much value, like you cannot think about of, right? In those payment plans, right? So you have to create an offer which is just irresistible, a homeowner cannot resist, right? Just to give you an example, just stop using these offers, right? Offering rebates, free electricity for some time, vacations, television. I get it, all of these are completely saturated. You just have to avoid these things. Just take a day off, take a 1 month vacation, and go there and think what I can offer, because you have to like think out of the imagination, out of your mind. Be more creative, think what you can really offer as a solar consultant to homeowner, that they will be like more than interested to go solar with you, because you are offering them this. And offer something them physical instead of like a digital product like a cash rebate or something like that. So that should definitely work. So again, just to improve the lead quality, here are the two things you have to do for sure: start using landing pages, change your offer. And yeah, I also get this, like there are agencies who are running misleading ads out there for solar clients just like you, that go solar for free, right? That's completely misleading, and I get that. We don't do that here, and stop doing that. Just run the ad straight to the point. Whatever your offer is, uh, if you go solar with us, you will get this and this, right? Whatever your offer is, no bullshit, straight to the point. And if it's possible, if you know the actual amount to go solar, just mention that, like whether it's $40,000, just mention that there, because you are being transparent with these homeowners. They won't comment any negative shit on your ad. They will be like, say, oh, it costs like $40,000 to go solar, I think I can afford that. I can finance that. But if you think, if you write like zero down solar, then definitely they are going to like put some negative comment. We are trying this direct, straight to the point ads in Australia, and it's converting amazingly well for like our Australian clients. What we are doing is like we are actually putting the cost of going solar in Australia, and instead of getting negative comments, they're actually like reacting like love reactions. They're sharing the ad with other people. They're more than interested now, because they are seeing an ad which is actually true, right, which is actually transparent. You, as a solar company, you are being honest with them, right? you, so the first thing is just run ads straight to the point. And all the things I just mentioned, that's like completely, you can say, the secrets of our ads, like what we're doing with our clients. You can just do it too. I have no problem. I just want to like help you guys to save your time as well as money, because these two things are very much valuable as a human being, right? So let me just move forward, and let's talk about a saturated state, something like Texas, right? I'm not talking about California here, just talk about Texas. So how Texas is performing is, and how, what we are doing, right? So we have two different campaigns, right, with two different ad sets, and we are testing lead forms, landing pages, and creatives in general, right? So I'm not asking you to completely stay away from the lead forms in order to find the winning ads. I'm just asking to put more budget into landing pages, right? So because let's suppose you are just starting out, you cannot just start the landing pages like right away, because you don't know like which ad is converting, which ad copy is the winning copy. You have to test it out. So that's why when you are testing things out, just use lead forms, right? When you know the winning creative, winning ad, winning copy, headlines, and everything, just convert that lead form campaign into our landing page campaign, and I just assure you, you will see like a great change in the lead quality, right? So that's what I wanted to like let you know, guys. Like it's possible to generate qualified leads, pre-qualified leads using Facebook ads, right? So let me just go ahead and share some like last point with you guys. So so, like I just told you, for higher quality leads, you have to use landing pages, right? But here's the second chance, second thing. You can also get appointments using these landing pages. What you can do is, let's suppose you're using a Go High Level funnel, right? You have created two, three landing pages on Go High Level. What you can do is, once the leads what we say once the lead submit the information, you will redirect the lead to your appointment page, whether it's Calendly, Acuity scheduling, whatsoever you use for like scheduling an appointment with you. Just redirect the lead to that page, and they, if they're interested, if your offer is good, if your ad is good, if you're legit, if you're everything is straight on the point, they will fill out the complete survey whatsoever, like the credit score, their utility bill, question about their bankruptcy, shade on their roof, why they are actually considering going solar. Just answer them these, like let them answer these questions, and if they are interested, redirect them to your appointment page, and they will be 100% booking appointments with you guys for sure. And if they are booking, see, if they are booking appointments, don't think like they will be actually showing up for the call. You have to call them, reconfirm the appointment, and then you're all set. You just have to sit with the appointment, and after that it's all about your sales, like how you actually close the call, right? So I just want to like drop these gold gems for you guys. Like you don't waste any more time like thinking what to do next, right? So yeah, my last point is just implement all the strategies, all the tips I just shared with you guys, and see how your lead quality goes to the roof, the sky. And the sky is the limit, to be honest, right? So if you guys think what have I just told you guys here is actually good and actually different, then just definitely comment, share, and like. I would be definitely appreciated. Like you guys are actually liking my content, and it definitely like motivates me, inspires me to create more similar content just like this. And sometimes when I do prospecting to get more solar clients for my agency, not just me, my sales team, right? When we go on LinkedIn and we search solar consultants, right? So there are almost 80 to 80,000 plus solar reps out there, right? And let's suppose all 80,000 solar reps are running that same offer, go solar for $1,000 rebates. Do you think your ad will convert? Do you think you are going to get a customer? You're going to convert a homeowner in to go solar? Do you think, or do you think? And most probably you will say like Facebook ad doesn't work, right? And that's why Facebook ads, paid ads, has a bad name, because it doesn't work for you guys. It doesn't mean like it doesn't work for others, right? So see, if nothing's working out, you have to think out of the box and you have to make that thing work, right? That's what we entrepreneurs do, right? We have to make things work, and we have to like get success. We have to get the thing completed without like thinking anything. You have to do it right now, you have to do it right now. So that how the thing goes, right? As an entrepreneur. So yeah guys, again, my name is Bhavish, and I'm the founder of Growth Magnet Studio. If you have any doubts, actually, like I have also a doc, Google Doc, where there are a bunch of free marketing resources, so you can take a look at. Just reach out to me and I will definitely share that link to you. And yeah, again, my name is Bhavish from Growth Magnet Studio, and I just hope you guys are safe and doing well, and just keep closing more sales, and reach out to me if you need any help regarding anything, right? So yeah guys, all the best and have a nice day ahead.